Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1059 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick that I got in the shade Bawse. This is a product that I got with some points redemption on Ipsy. And I'm so excited. I love Huda Beauty products and I love liquid lipsticks. And this looks like such a fun shade. Hopefully it won't be too dark for me. The Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick comes in a bunch of different shades. It retails for $20 at Sephora and the packaging is so pretty. I've definitely tried out Huda Beauty lipsticks before, but not this one in particular, so I'm really excited. So the doe foot applicator actually kind of has a little bend in it, which I really like. I feel like you can get really precise with this. Here you can see what that applicator looks like. So first I want to start out with a swatch. Ooh, pigmented. It definitely seems true to how it looks and what I was expecting, of like a dark burgundy plum shade, like a reddish purple. Here's that swatch. I really hope I can pull this color off. What's fun about this though is that it is out of my comfort zone, so let's see how it looks. I feel like I'm getting a scent to this. Something like fruity. Interesting, not bad. With a color like this, you have to be so careful and perfect with where you apply it because it's just so easy to see any like mess ups in the edges. So typically I would definitely wear a lip liner with this. But considering I'm not wearing a lip liner, it doesn't look too bad because it is really easy to use this applicator. But unfortunately, I think this is looking too dark, where it's almost looking like a black lipstick. Like I wish it was just a little bit lighter, and this is just that one layer too. And it's on my teeth. I mean, it's pretty, but it's just not a good shade for me. Beautiful formula though, like so pigmented. A beautiful shiny finish that looks so smooth and even on the lips. I mean, this exact lipstick comes in a bunch of more nude pink shades that are much more flattering on me and my coloring that I would love to check out. But it is, like I said, always so fun going out of my comfort zone, and maybe I would have been pleasantly surprised to see just how good this looks on me. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Can I pull this shade off? I don't think I can, and I guess it really comes down to like, if I don't feel comfortable in this, then I'm not gonna look good in it, because you gotta feel good to look good, right? But still, like, this product gave me a laugh, it's making me smile, so I think that this video is fun, even though I probably will not be wearing this again. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.